Hi everyone, welcome back to Approved Automotive. Now, there is a lot of work going on currently in here. We can hardly move, including the Yesco behind you. You've got a lot of coloured PPF as well, but none of these cars that you can see in the background are the subject of today's video. Boy, have we got a treat for you. Keep watching to find out. This Lamborghini Revuelto is in for full coloured PPF. This is not any ordinary colour wrap. This is not a vinyl. This is coloured PPF. As you can see, when you're doing coloured PPF, just like vinyl, you need to remove all the badges and panels of this car, which is no mean feat when it's a Lamborghini Revuelto. But of course, our guys are incredibly skilled and we are doing more and more colour changes these days, which means more and more dismantling of cars. When we're doing our normal PPF, our normal XPEL, Ultimate Plus or Stealth PPF, we don't usually remove any badges or panels because it isn't necessary. But when you do the colour, you do need to remove those panels. The official colour name for this coloured PPF is Flame Orange, and if you get a good look of it under the sun, then you will see that it actually has a very subtle metallic to it as well. What you're aiming for when you're changing the colour of the car on any kind of car, but especially on a car such as the Lamborghini Revuelto, is a flawless paint-like finish. You do not want the people who see this car on the roads to know that it is a wrap. So guys, this is the final result. This Lamborghini Revuelto, well, you would never believe that this beautiful orange color was never the original color of the car, because this is colored PPF and this is a quality that you can achieve. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and we're going to see you next time. Bye.